my main job is not Robotos. My main job is actually like tooling inside Bueno. That's my main focus actually. On Robotos, like we have been able to leverage the work that we have been doing on Bueno and the technology that we have been developing and all the product that we have been developing to use it on Robotos too and bring utility to Robotos. But that's really a huge driver for me and for my team, I think, where it's like, hey, help other artists, other creators, other communities, other community builders to just like have the tools that are necessary for them and consequentially also bring utility. So I think that's a huge driver for us, where it's like and something that like wakes me up in the morning and just like, yeah, let's go do this. Hey. And it's creating the tools for people so they can create their microverse, like the tools so people can create their contract without the need of a developer, the tools for people so they can create a 10K collection really easily, like seriously in seconds. We have the tools to do that, and now we're like about to deploy, about to launch an alpha or a contract deployer. So you don't only create the art, but you can also put it on the test net, put it in mainnet, test your collection, put it out there, mint it, have a mint page that your people can use, your collectors can use, and all of this without the help of a developer.
Yeah,
nothing huge. Against developers. It's more like, hey, you're an artist, you're a product maker, you're focus on the things that are really important to you. You know.
Yeah. No,
so,
I definitely wanted to dive into Bueno, and just for anyone who's not familiar, it's something that Pablo, you're the CEO of Bueno, and it's a like self-serve smart contract deployer, and exactly what you're describing, tools for non-technical people to start creating NFT collections, which I think is so important. I was actually just talking to a friend yesterday, and we have this NFT idea, and the minting and the smart contract side is just where we kind of hit the wall.
Yeah, and then you have to look for a developer, and I'm not saying that they're not it's just the space. You don't know who you can trust. You know, that's one. And whoever is out there that you can actually trust, they already have a ton of other projects queued up, because the people with the Solidity devs who are really good you can count them with the fingers in your hand. Like there are not a lot of them. So like, hey, having those tools for people like you, that's our driver. That's like, hey, let's help them, because it's almost like like tools that you would need to just like, hey, create back in or now, like create a website. You know, like, hey, you might not actually know HTML or CSS or JavaScript, but you have an idea and you want to develop it, you know? So like, and now there are tools that allow you to do that. Just a creator, you have an idea, and there are tools that just drag and drop and no code needed to create a beautiful landing page. That's the kind of mentality that we are having on like NFT creators, NFT builders, where it's like, hey, you have the idea of the art, you have the idea of what this smart contract should do, how the interaction should be with your collectors, where it's like, hey, having like an allow list link to it, having a max per wallet, having a supply that like having a pre-sale, all of those things that you will need to have that. Like we're building the tool so you can just do all of that.
You're listening to the Unstoppable Podcast, the go-to place for everyone to learn about the latest innovations in Web3, NFTs, and the decentralized web. Welcome to the metaverse.